I'm not gonna cost you a dime.
Oh, you did it wrong.
Oh! Fuck
New guy.
New guy.
Oh, you sons of bitches. Sorry.
If there's one thing I've learned during my burger journey, it's that a burger isn't just, well, a burger.
I'm so ready. I'm so excited.
Veggie burgers aren't just for
I
vegetarians.
was like, squish it first. Holy shit.
It can stir up regional pride.
I feel like I'm about to go on a vision quest. I see so many wonderful things. This is going to be a huge trend in Los Angeles.
Right,
Pastrami steam.
Inspire creativity.
An international burger tour, and we don't need to travel far.
Just getting really emotional right now. One of the most amazing burgers. Oh my, I love you.
Can this be considered a dumpling?
This will be the most meaty dumpling I've ever had in my life.
If you're gonna make a good sushi, you gotta make a good burger too.
Even push us to our limits.
A lot of people say, thanks, chef, or good job, chef, and I'm like, I didn't earn that.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, shit! You guys are
So get ready for more burgers, bigger stars, and new cities.
Oh, my boys got it!
We're in Chicago, Illinois. Vienna beef, baby.
It's oozing juice right now. Oh! Boom! Oh! Woo!
The Burger Show, Season 4.
What's up, Burger Fam? It's Alvin Cailan from The Burger Show. Thank you for your continual support. Make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, if not for me, for the burgers. Please and thank you.